The recent discovery of Genghis Khan's tomb is one of the most remarkable archaeological finds of our time, unearthing mysteries that could fundamentally alter our understanding of the legend. Genghis Khan, born Temujin, founded the Mongol Empire, which became the largest contiguous empire in history. His rule was brutal yet transformative, affecting millions of lives and reshaping Eurasian politics, trade, and culture. Historical records suggest that during his conquests, as much as 10% of the world's population perished, marking him as both a feared and enigmatic figure. Mongolian oral traditions, however, remember him as a unifying hero, a national icon who brought peace and stability to warring tribes. One of the greatest mysteries surrounding Genghis Khan is his final resting place. According to Mongolian tradition and legend, the location was kept secret at his command. Stories claim that after his death, those involved in his burial were executed to ensure the site's secrecy. Some accounts even describe rivers diverted to flow over his grave or horses trampling the earth to erase any trace of the tomb. This intense secrecy elevated the tomb to a near-mythical status, representing not just the life and power of Genghis Khan but also the enigma surrounding his legacy. For centuries, historians, adventurers, and archaeologists have sought his tomb, combining folklore, ancient texts, and the latest scientific techniques to no avail. Many locals believed that disturbing the tomb could bring about great misfortune, and so attempts to locate it were often met with caution and resistance from Mongolian cultural representatives. This reverence only heightened the allure of the mystery. Recently, a groundbreaking discovery was made near Mount Burkhan Khaldan, a sacred site rumored to be Genghis Khan's final resting place. Originally, scientists were conducting climate studies, analyzing soil samples to understand ancient climate patterns. However, ground-penetrating radar and satellite imagery revealed unusual soil formations indicating a possible hidden structure beneath the earth. Intrigued, the team cautiously proceeded with the excavation in cooperation with Mongolian officials and cultural advisors, recognizing the cultural and historical weight of the discovery. The excavation revealed a breathtaking burial chamber filled with artifacts that defied ordinary explanations. The tomb contained weapons adorned with gemstones, scrolls preserved despite the centuries, and armor crafted with exceptional detail. Many of these items reflected the power and grandeur associated with Genghis Khan, but there were also artifacts that left the research team baffled. Some objects appeared to be made from materials unknown to modern science, and others seemed to have technological properties that were unexplainable by the standards of the 13th century. Metals displayed unusual qualities, and several mechanical devices found within the tomb's depths appeared to serve functions that remain unclear. Among the most astonishing finds were symbols and inscriptions in an unknown script. The precision of these markings suggested that they might not have been crafted by hand but rather with the aid of machinery or tools beyond the known technology of the time. The contents of the tomb hinted at an advanced knowledge of both craftsmanship and possibly even science that would seem out of place for Genghis Khan's era. Could these items have been brought from distant lands, or might they point to lost knowledge preserved by the Mongols? The findings grew stranger still with the discovery of a parchment that resembled a map, depicting unfamiliar land formations and celestial symbols. Unlike any known geography, this map included depictions of stars and planets arranged in a manner that suggested a deep understanding of astronomy, or perhaps a connection to beliefs or knowledge now lost to history. Alongside the map lay translucent stones emitting a faint glow. When researchers brought electronic devices near these stones, the equipment malfunctioned, hinting at properties that defy current scientific understanding. Perhaps most intriguingly, DNA analysis of the remains found in the tomb did not match any known lineage. This discovery was unexpected, as it's widely believed that millions of people today carry Genghis Khan's genetic legacy. The mystery deepened as scientists examined the genetic markers, which appeared entirely unique, raising questions about Genghis Khan's origins and possibly suggesting that his heritage or bloodline might be more complex than previously thought. Historians, linguists, and scientists have been puzzled by the elaborate organization of ritual items within the tomb. Ceremonial daggers, placed in geometric patterns, and containers holding unidentified organic compounds seem to hint at rituals or practices not typically associated with Mongolian traditions. Moreover, some inscriptions referenced celestial events, leading experts to wonder if Genghis Khan or his inner circle possessed advanced knowledge of the stars or cosmology, possibly influenced by other cultures or a spiritual understanding that was lost over time. The discovery of the map, with its unfamiliar geography, has led to speculation that Genghis Khan's story might be part of a larger narrative involving uncharted realms, hidden knowledge, or connections to otherworldly beliefs. The map, coupled with the unusual artifacts, suggests that Genghis Khan might have been aware of, or perhaps even involved in, knowledge systems or philosophies beyond what history has recorded. As news of the discovery spread, it ignited global debates about the cultural and ethical implications of excavating Genghis Khan's tomb. Mongolian authorities insisted on strict protocols to honor the spiritual significance of the site, while archaeologists took extreme care to balance their scientific inquiry with respect for Mongolian traditions. For many, the question remains whether it was right to disturb the tomb at all, or if it should have been left undisturbed as a testament to the enduring mystery of history. This extraordinary discovery raises more questions than it answers, challenging our understanding of not only Genghis Khan but also the broader context of the 13th century. The artifacts suggest a sophistication that could alter how we perceive the Mongol Empire's knowledge and connections. Could Genghis Khan have accessed knowledge beyond his time? Did his influence extend into realms that history has yet to unveil? The tomb's contents, shrouded in mystery, may eventually reveal a deeper understanding of the man who reshaped history. But for now, this discovery stands as a tantalizing fragment of a past that may be far richer and stranger than we have ever imagined.